Yes, no flakes. No flakes. No flakes. Uncle Funky's daughter.
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Curly Kenny, and if you are not already subscribed, what are you doing with your life? Join the Curly crew. We have fun over here. We do hair, we do makeup, we do a little bit of food up in there, meal prep. We do a lot of fun stuff over here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm waiting. Okay, let's get to this video. Today is I am unboxing my very first BoxyCharm box, my BoxyCharm box. So this is what I got in my very first box. I'm not sure what to really expect, so I'm excited to see what's in here. So let's get into it. So it took forever. I don't know if it's because of the COVID thing or what, but it took forever to get here. They said it was delayed, so you know, a lot of craziness going on. We have flooding, we had COVID-19, and now we have protesting that has unfortunately delayed some things. So it didn't take too long, but it took long enough to get me worried. So so this is how it came. And so we see, I asked for, if you don't know, they ask you questions when you first sign up, and I ask for a mixture of skincare and makeup, and this is what we have. So, and you're able to, in case you don't know, you're able to change that whenever. I'm expecting another box here in June sometime. It is now June 6th. So I'm not even sure when the next box will come, but this is the first box. The first thing I got is this lighting, English laundry. I don't know if you can see it. English laundry number 7. And this just came in this. Looks like this. I've never actually even heard of English laundry. Smells kind of sweet. I don't even know what I guess number 7 is the name of it. Yeah, I guess number 7 is the name of it. Okay. Smells kind of sweet. Yeah, smells good. Smells like it has some vanilla in it. I don't know if it's a summer smell though, but we'll see. Next thing I got is, looks like Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling. These are fingernail polishes, I believe. Yes, this one is Fire on the Horizon, and it's about, just to give you an idea what size it is, that size. And here is Can't Stop the Feeling. I actually like this color. I don't know about the other one, but I like this color. I think I'll be using that. So that's number 2. I got the basic box, in case you're wondering. I like to try stuff before I go jump into a whole big subscription, like a lot of money. So the next thing I got is Murad Hydration. Can you see that? Murad Hydration. This is, I think one of the questions was asking about problem areas, and I said my eyes, because I have bags and little fine lines. So this is the jar. This is how big it is, give you an idea. The size, I guess this is part of this is a full size. 5 full size items is what you get. So this is for eyes. Let's see. It says Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Murad Hydration. I do like Murad products, but it says step 3. So where's step 1 and 2? I don't know. Moisturize and hydrate. So I guess no smell, no scent. So we'll see how that works. It says step 3 to use AM and PM, gently pat around the eye area. But like I said, I don't know where step 1 and step 2 is. So what am I supposed to do with that? I don't know. Next we have Beauty Creations Cali Chic. This is how it came. Let's see. Came in a little eyeshadow palette. And these are the colors that came in it. Very pretty. Some sparkly and some matte. I have one similar to this color, so I'm not. I have a lot of, these are a lot of the colors that I already have, so we'll see. Maybe they're more pigmented or something. And that is item number 4. This is the last item, Pro Crown. This is the last item, Pro Crown. This is, looks like another eyeshadow palette. And it is. Don't this look like the same colors that's in the other one? Oh, hold on. BoxyCharm. Now really, these are basically the same colors. Can I get up? I know I like neutral colors, but can I get a little variety up in here? So I'm not too thrilled about, oops, stuck my finger in it. I'm not too thrilled about that. Look at that, y'all. It's like the same colors. So somebody's getting a gift. I think I'm gonna keep this one. Looks, here's the swatch. These are all the colors. Excuse this, whatever this is. I think something bit me. But here's the swatch. I know this is kind of awkward. This is kind of an awkward angle, but look at that. They're very pretty. They're very pretty. I like it. I guess I'll keep this one. The other one is going to someone else. Whew, it's hot in here. These lights, y'all, these lights. So that is all I got in my first box. On a scale of 1 through 10, probably a 6 or 7. Only because I got 2 eyeshadow palettes that were basically the same, and also because I didn't know I asked for nail polish. I didn't know that included nail polish, and also because of this being step 3. How am I supposed to really know how this works if I don't have step 1 and 2? And I thought maybe, I think a better idea would have been the first box, maybe step 1, the next box, step 2, and then the third box, step 3. But how are you gonna start with step 3? How does that even work? But I'll try it, we'll see. But that is all I have for you today. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another BoxyCharm as soon as I get my June box. So this is my May box, first box, okay. So I will be back with another video. Monday and Fridays, you can guarantee videos, but I may be doing more this month because it's my birthday, y'all. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me, June 30th. But yeah, I may be doing more, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and you won't miss a video from me. Monday and Fridays, you can guarantee a video and sometime in between. Thank you for joining the Curly Crew today. I will see you all in the next video. Peace.